Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the text that appears in your Windows 10 search box. So first, hold down the Windows key next to Control and then press R. Type regedit. Then click on OK. Click on Yes on the pop-up that appears. This pop-up does not record on these videos, so just click on Yes on the pop-up. Then click the arrow next to HKey Current User, then Software, Microsoft, Windows, CurrentVersion, Search, Flighting, 0, and then Search Box Text. Then double click Value, and then type in whatever you want your search box to say. So in this case, Dantech Boy PC, then click the arrow next to 0 again, and then click the arrow next to 1, then click Search Box Text, double click Value, and type in the same thing. Then close the Registry editor. Click the File Explorer in your taskbar, right click the taskbar, then click Task Manager. If you see this, right click Windows Explorer and click on Restart. If you see this, click More Details, then right click Windows Explorer and then click Restart. As you can see, the desktop just restarted and the search box text just changed. Then close the Task Manager and you can see that the search box text changed. Thank you for watching this video.